Hey everyone, welcome back to the Vibrant Life Source YouTube channel. And this episode, I'm going to do something a little different. I decided to do a review, and I actually test products all the time. It could be fitness products, wellness products, nutrition, maybe there's supplements. I'm doing it all the time. I just thought it would be fun for me to actually do a YouTube video of me doing a test drive of a food subscription. So I am going to, I just ordered Hungry Root, and just so you know, this is not sponsored. I paid with my own money. This is just me doing a review for you guys and also my own clients, because I get clients asking me a lot, you know, what are some good online food delivery services that are budget friendly? And so I got a recommendation from a client, and so I decided to give it a whirl. So here's what happened, is Hungry Root is interesting because you can order grocery items and they're all organic, they look good quality, or you can order based upon recipes that they have, and they have all of the ingredients there that you just order. Your first order is 30% off, which I like that. So I did order probably more than I ever would. And so anyway, I literally just got delivered just a few minutes ago, so I figured we'll go through it together. So here's what I got when I first opened up. So it tells me everything that I got in my order and with my recipe. So I ordered ingredients or groceries based upon 5 recipes plus some additional ingredients. And then it came with this handy dandy kitchen companion, and it's just like a little insert of just some fun things to think about when you're cooking. You know, maybe have some good music playing, have a cocktail, and just some ideas for some extras to zhuzh up your recipes here. Okay, so let's take a look. So it comes in kind of like one of those freeze pack or temperature pack packages. So far so good. Okay, so this is something I ordered extra. I ordered some green beans, and this is actually a good one. Earthbound Farm, organic. Good. I tried these. They're carrot cake coconut cookies. They're dairy free and gluten free. I'm just gonna put these right here to taste. Okay, so what do I got? I got Asian salad mix, shaved Brussels sprouts. They're actually from one of my recipes. We got, grapefruit, okay. Let's see here, a sesame ginger sauce, cauliflower linguine. I have to tell you, I'm quite excited to give this a whirl to see how I do with that, because I really can't do gluten, so this will be interesting. White rice made from vegetables. Oh, hello. Another one I'm excited to try. I got a chicken avocado ranch salad kit. Oh, okay. Don't you love it when you order stuff and you forget what you ordered? And then when it arrives, it's like all exciting. Oh, broccoli rabe. I think that's for a recipe too. And then, let's see, a bell pepper onion saute. Oh, this is for this burrito bowl thing I'm gonna be doing. Rainbow veggie mix. I got 2, they have these pre-made like sauces. This is called the superfood tomato. And then this one's the kale pesto. I was very intrigued by those. What else we got? Brown rice quinoa blend. Oh, a brown rice quinoa blend, and then a lentil quinoa rice mix. Again, those are for these bowls recipes I got. I mean, this is like a lot of stuff. Oh, lemon tahini. What was that recipe? Oh, a tahini chicken and rice bowl. Oh, that just sounded good to me. All right, and then I got 2 packages of this spinach garlic chicken sausage. They're for 2 recipes. That's like right up my alley. Let's see, we got guacamole, we got almond butter. It just keeps going. Oh, seasoned chicken breast. That needs to go in the fridge. Pronto. Oh, yeah. Something's not happy. I got 3 packages of those, so those look like they need to go in the fridge pronto. What's this? Oh, yeah. And then I got these were not on a recipe. I just bought these out of the grocery thing. It's these Southwest style chicken patties. Corn, rice, black bean, poblano chicken patties. Hello, how you doing? And there's more. I'm not, damn it, there's something more in here, I thought. Maybe not. Is that it? That's it. Okay. We're good. So, that's all she wrote. Yeah. So here's what I'm going to do. For the next week, I'm going to make every night, I'm going to make one of the recipes, and I will take a picture and let you see what it looks like. And then at the end of the week, I will do my final review. So we'll come back, we'll meet back here for my final review. Okay? Sound good? Okay, here we go. I am going to go put my stuff in the fridge and decide what I'm gonna make for dinner tonight. All right, talk soon, bye. Okay, so I'm back. It is about 5-6 days later, and I have gone through all of the meals that I purchased. So we've got different ones. So here are some images of some of the recipes, or actually all of the recipes I did. There were 5 in total, and some groceries as we saw earlier. So my overall rating on a scale from 1 to 10, I would give it about 7.5 to an 8. Overall, the experience with Hungry Root was good. The meals were quick. It took me about 15-20 minutes max to make the meals. I did zhuzh them. On many of the recipes I sauteed up some garlic and onions because, come on, I'm so used to it. I added those. And I did tinker with some of them, but for the most part, they were really tasty. I think the ones that, and I did enlist my husband, and because he's a good gauge of recipes, because if he likes it, pretty good. There were some that we liked the most. We did like the chicken and guac rice bowl. That was very tasty. And then the chicken spinach sausage with the cauliflower noodles, so good. Totally would get that again. I'm not a big pesto fan, so I will say, for full disclosure, I did have a jar of marinara sauce already in the fridge open, so I did use that, and then I added the kale pesto to it, and we really liked that. Would I use it again? Yes, I would use it again. Would I recommend them? Yes. I think the way I would use Hungry Root would be as if I have a week coming up that I know I'm just not going to have time to food prep and I just need quick and easy and simple, I would totally use them. Would I use them on an ongoing basis every week? No. So yeah, so that is my overall review. I know some of the pictures I took of the stuff I made probably doesn't make it look very appetizing. Some of that is probably my ability or lack thereof to take a good picture. But they were tasty, they were enjoyable, and they were, they were good, they were healthy food. So again, I would give them a try. I do have some information about them down in the description box below. I hope you found this review helpful, especially if you are out there looking for a online food subscription to try. I think they're worth it. And I like the fact that you can skip weeks, a week or multiple weeks if you want. For me, that was important because I don't like getting sucked into something that I have to do every week. So again, I hope that you find this helpful. Let me know if you actually try Hungry Root. Let me know what you thought of it. If there's another subscription company out there that you've been using or one that you are not sure of and you would like me to do a review and give it a whirl, I would love to do it. And while you're down there, please subscribe to my channel because I always got new videos coming up. And yeah, and there's one coming up that I think you'll really enjoy because it's another Vibrant Chat. Okay, everyone, have a fabulous day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.